Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgets to Buy. Today we're diving into the world of TV signal boosters and reviewing the TVMaster Pro. If you're tired of poor TV signal quality or missing your favorite channels, stick around to see if this little gadget is the solution you've been looking for. First things first, let's talk about what's in the box. TVMaster Pro comes with the signal booster itself, a USB power cable, and a quick setup guide. Super minimal, but that's all you'll need for this plug-and-play device. The standout feature of the TVMaster Pro is its crystal clear signal. It's designed with high gain capability to enhance even the weakest signals. Whether you're in a crowded urban area or out in the suburbs, this thing ensures you get crisp, clear picture quality. Next, we have the long-range digital signal booster. TVMaster Pro is perfect for picking up signals from faraway towers. So, if you're in a rural area or surrounded by obstacles, this little device has got your back. One thing I love about the TVMaster Pro is its universal compatibility. Whether you're watching HD sports, news, or your favorite local channels, this device works seamlessly with all TV formats. No subscriptions, no limitations. Now let's talk about setup. It's ridiculously easy. Just plug the USB into your TV or any standard USB power source, connect the booster to your TV's antenna input, and you're good to go. No tools, no complicated manuals, just simple, straightforward installation. TVMaster Pro is also designed for indoor installation. Its compact and sleek design blends into any living room setup without taking up much space. It's functional and stylish. And finally, the power supply. It uses a standard USB connection, which means you don't need an extra power outlet. Just plug it into your TV or a USB adapter and you're set. So, is the TVMaster Pro worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're tired of poor signal quality, this device is a game changer. With its easy setup, long-range capabilities, and crystal-clear picture enhancement, it's a must-have for any TV lover. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in the TVMaster Pro, I've linked it in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.